I've got it pretty easy, honestly, being surrounded by these folks. This is a new song called Rolling Quarters. I hope you enjoy it. I was rolling quarters, looking for 89s or Nebraskas. It's an awful lot to ask of a pile of silver, but I could use a little bit of sentiment today. Little anxious, but okay, still homesick just the same. And Mama got sick, she said I do not listen or care. It took a long time to unpack that in the mirror, and I found cluttered heaps of clothing where my focus used to be. Saw my son begin to walk, felt my love's patience fading, and I realized that it's been years since I've spoken to the spirits. Longer still, when I thought that they might hear it. Honey, I would never fault you if you feel like disappearing. Think I'm gonna go dark myself now, coming off a heat wave into that cold Norfolk gray, and that stuff don't play around. But it's gonna wash away the town by storm, and maybe I won't be here no more. Who's to speak for my body? I hope I'm buried where I was born. Woke up in Chesapeake, I was feeling hungover, that kind of hungover where you're really just still drunk. And I was thinking about writing on my 30th birthday how time moves on whether we like it or not. It's been years since I've spoken to the spirit. Longer still, when I thought they might hear it. Honey, I would never fault you if you feel like disappearing. Think I'm gonna go dark myself now. You gotta go dark myself now. I gotta go dark myself now. And I feel just a little over-caffeinated today. Still smiling from last night with too much gin to my face. And I called you on the phone, but I had nothing to say, so I guess I'll just say nothing at all. I've been walking High Street with a drink in my hand. Oh, this city don't know me, they don't know who I am. But I'll stick to the shadows and work on me as a man. But continue to say nothing at all, 'cause it's been years since I've spoken to the spirits. Longer still, when I thought that they might hear it. Honey, I would never fault you if you feel like disappearing. Think I'm gonna go dark myself now.